Hey, what kind of thermometer do you guys use? This one is one that was given to me to test out at the Ace Hardware trade show. Um, it's a really great thermometer. I'm not sponsored by any thermometer companies, but some of the ones that are out there are a little complicated for just the average, everyday, occasional backyard cooker. Um, they're set up for Wi-Fi and they're set up Bluetooth, and they've got all kinds of presets and probes, and you've got to download apps, and the app part's not such a bad thing, but this one is a really great little thermometer for just the average everyday person that doesn't want to take the time to learn everything there is to know about alerts and temperatures and probes and distance, and having to do everything a certain way. This one's plug and play. We've got this one set up cooking right now at 380 degrees on some boneless, skinless turkey breast, and it's alternating between the temperature of the pit and the temperature of the other two probes. And they're run, this thing is cool. It'll take up to 6 probes. It comes with this cool little clip that you can monitor your pit temperature with. It comes with the cool little thing to keep your thermocouples rolled up, to keep from kinking them. That's the key for thermocouple life. And we've just got them running in the Redbox smoker right now. The great part about this is you download the app, turn it on, plug it in, and when you open the app, boom, it pops up and it's got everything you need. It's got simple, easy to use app that doesn't take a lot of connection, a lot of worry. It's only Bluetooth, but for the average everyday person, just occasional cooking, this one's great because it's so simple. You plug it up, you turn on the app, and there it is. You've got your temperatures right there. So check out Grilleye. They're a really cool company. They get this really simple product that works really, really well. I've had this one for about 6 years. So if that tells you anything, check out Grilleye. Happy Memorial Day.